So you're learning ZBrush and you run into this problem. You press the mirror and weld and it can't be done. Okay, so let's say we have been sculpting for a while. We haven't to press X without knowing. Sculpting, shut the fuck up. Sculpting, sculpting, sculpting. Oh my god, it's not on the other side. And try again. It's mirror and weld, it's still the same. We have subdivisions. What does that mean? That means if you go to your Geo tab here, shift click it, you can see you have 2 subdivision levels. Also, we have reconstruct subdivisions. That means that we can do this mirror and weld and get it back. So you want to come down here, it's probably closed for you, but it's under Geo, modify topology, and then the mirror and weld button is here. We delete lower, mirror and weld, and then bam, we have it on both sides. Reconstruct subdivisions, and now we have it back again. So now you can just press X again and you can keep on sculpting on your mesh. So yeah, I hope that was helpful for you. Have a nice day.